Healthclub Jordaan, a leading fitness club in Amsterdam, set out to modernise its member experience. Partnering with Vpod Smart Solutions, they replaced their aging locker system with intelligent, keyless smart lockers. For years, members struggled with outdated lockers. Lost keys, jammed coin deposits, high maintenance costs, and a tired appearance were holding the club back and frustrating everyday users. Vpod introduced a smarter solution, a pin-operated locker system engineered specifically for busy fitness environments, combining security, durability, and everyday efficiency. At the core is intelligent pin locker management. Compared to traditional lockers, the smart system delivers keyless entry and real-time operational advantages that make day-to-day management effortless. Members now enjoy frictionless self-service. A simple, secure, pin-based workflow maximizes locker utilization without requiring staff intervention at every turn. The result is a transformed member experience. Faster, cash-free storage and keyless convenience have driven noticeable gains in member satisfaction across the club. The business impact has been just as significant, spanning operational efficiency, customer experience, reliability, a more professional image, and a locker system that's ready for the future. Executive outcomes tell the full story: improved operations, a better member experience, and a stronger brand image, all backed by measurable results. In conclusion, Healthclub Jordaan's transformation proves the value of modern locker technology. No more keys, lower maintenance, and a noticeably better experience for every member.